Welcome back to the channel. So we're in the Mk4 Golf, and one thing I really dislike about it is this black trim. All the soft touch is all wearing off. I don't like the little compartment there. I prefer the original CD player and tape deck. So I'm going to paint all this silver, get rid of all this soft touch stuff, paint it silver, paint that little cover silver, that silver, a bit like the R32, paint the ashtray, paint the handle, and paint this control panel. I've got some paint that is reflex silver. My Golf is reflex silver, so if I do it identical colour, it'll look nice. So I'll again get all this soft touch stuff off. A few videos where people get like a cheap plug-in air freshener, they get the perfume out of it and it eats away at all this soft touch stuff, which takes it back down to the plastic. These side panels have got it. This was out of a borer I had, the ashtray, that panel and that panel, so this hasn't got the soft touch, it's just plastic. But I also want to get all the soft touch off this part as well. So we'll get the soft touch off, get rid of all the silicone, you know, all the grease, dashboard shine, so we can have a nice surface to paint on. We'll scuff it all down with some sandpaper, then we'll put plastic primer on, and we'll go with some reflex silver, and then we'll go with some clear coat over the top to hold it all in so it won't chip away. Recently just got this gear gator and this anniversary style gear knob. This was a cheap one off eBay, about £14, but it really does look pretty decent. So I think if we tidy all this up, get it all looking silver, it will look the part. First thing I'm going to do is take all this apart. This has got the one where the cage is built into these side bits. I've got to take the glove box out, this panel out to get the cage out, take all these little bits off. I've got to take all the center console out because I want to get that out as well, so it's going to be stripped apart. Take both the handles off as well, so yeah, this is going to be fun. Okay, so fast forward a few days and I've managed to paint the trim pieces reflex silver. So basically I had to take most of the dashboard apart, got all these pieces out. I got a cheap plug-in air freshener. I took the fluid out of it, poured it over most of these parts to get rid of the soft touch coating that's on VW parts. If you know what I mean, it is awful stuff. That come off pretty easy. I sanded it all down with some 400 grit wet and dry sandpaper. Used some plastic primer, about 2 or 3 coats. Then reflex silver spray paint, again about 3 coats. And then I went over with some clear coat, probably leaving about 30 minutes between each coat, and done about 3 coats of clear coat, and it's looking pretty darn good. So it did come out very well. I really like the look of this control handle. So it should stop any chipping because it's been properly painted, but we shall see. Brattle can job, you know, but it does look very nice. So I've started putting the dashboard back together. I'm just going to get all these bits back in. I've cleaned some other parts of the dashboard. Basically anything with soft touch on, I've removed it because I really don't like that stuff. So you know, we'll shoot back when this is all back in the car. Okay, so we've got it all back together. I think that's actually looking pretty darn cool. So no more soft touch. This is all smooth plastic now, which it does clean up pretty good. We've got the GTI anniversary style gear knob, cheap eBay fit. We got the silver dashboard trims. I think that does look really cool. I'm going to try and find a standard tape player, like I said before. Put the CD player back in. I've still got the CD player. I'm actually missing the little bit that goes in between to hold the CD player in. So I've put this cubby hole back in for now and the stock CD player. But I want to go original OEM sort of style. But I think that looks pretty darn cool. Got the cup holder. We got the silver passenger handle. Come out really good. Reflex silver, so it's all color coded with the car. And we got the silver control panel on the right. That's got the grab handle, electric window switches and the door locks. So yeah, it's all coming together. I think my next mod's going to be the dials. Now I've bought the chrome ring set. I'm trying to get like some stickers that are like the Bora Highline or like the anniversary edition, which stick straight over, or I could get a whole new cluster and get it reprogrammed, but where I am, there's not many people around here that do that sort of thing, so it's quite hard to do. So what I might do for now is stick the little chrome rings I've got on, and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, that'll probably be my next mod. But yeah, if you think that looks pretty cool, let me know. Nice easy mod to do, just probably half an hour taking it all out, a lot of time prepping. Prep is the key to a good finish, and then yeah, fin it back in. Took about half an hour, and it does look a lot better, a lot fresher looking dashboard. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you all soon. Peace.